the Glion B1 folding electric bike.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to test out the Glion B1 electric bike.
The bike came in a fairly large box, and opening the box you will see that the bike is in a folded position with all the packaging material and wrappings. You will be welcomed with a piece of paper instructing you to visit the website for assembly videos and to download the user manual. Removing the bike from the box and unfolding it, you can see all the major components are pretty much assembled, and it doesn't take much to complete the assembly. Inside it comes with the pedals, reflectors, tools, keys, rear axle cap, and charger. And there's also an optional tall seat post that you can purchase separately. Now here it is with all the packaging material removed. And now here it is fully assembled. I would recommend watching the video that the company put together, and I have linked it in the description below. I would say it takes no longer than 30 minutes to complete the assembly. Just to summarize the process, once you have it out of the box, unfold and lock the bike into place with the center locking mechanism. Unfold the handlebars and place the latch into the locking position. Position the handlebars to the right height and tighten the bolts in the middle. Position the display and the pedestrian bell and lock it into place. Adjust the seat and install the reflectors, and finally install the pedals. The bike features a foldable design, 500 watt motor, 48 volts, 10.4 amp hour battery, 5 pedal assists, 7 gears, thumb throttle, 5 hours to fully charge with a 30-mile range. It weighs 60 pounds, max load of 250 pounds, 20-inch by 4-inch fat tires, and an LCD backlit display. And here are some of the dimensions of the bike, folded and unfolded. And the bike is 66 inches from tire to tire. Walking around the bike, you have the headlight on the front along with the front fender. The middle of the handlebar stem has a locking mechanism. On the left side of the front tire, you can see the disc brakes. The front of the frame, you have the charging port along with the button to see the battery levels. The adjustable seat posts and kickstands towards the middle. On the rear, you can see the disc brakes, fender, and reflectors. On the right side, you have the rear hub motor along with the gears. Towards the middle, you have the locking mechanism to lock the frame in place. The left side of the handlebar, you have the brake lever and LCD remote. In the middle, you have the backlit LCD display. And on the right side is the pedestrian bell, Shimano shifter, brake lever, and thumb throttle. Looking at the buttons for the LCD remote, it has the increase and decrease buttons for pedal assist, light control, display function, and power button. Scrolling through the menu, you can see the trip, odometer, usage time, max, and average speed. You can see the icon when the headlight is on as well when you activate it. Holding both the scroll buttons will bring up another menu that will allow you to reset the trip distance, adjust backlight, and change the units from kilometers to miles or vice versa. The upper right of the screen has an indicator for the pedal assist buttons, and you can see it here as I scroll from 0 to 5. Holding down the minus button for a few seconds will activate the walk assist mode.
Now to fold the bike, you want to start off by lifting up here and then pulling the latch for the handlebars, and then it will just fold. And then for the frame, there's a little knob here that you want to pull back, and then you just pull the lever, and there you go. It just folds. You can fold it all the way. You can see the wires, the battery, and the key to remove the battery if you wish so. So it's that simple. Again, the bike is fairly light, so you can just toss it in the back of your SUV or put it in a corner of your garage for storage.
Okay, now I will show some footage of the bike in use. I'll go through the different levels of pedal assist, testing out the brakes, taking it uphill, and showing the headlight coverage at night.
Okay, we're gonna test it out here. We're just gonna go on the grass, see how it handles the bumps and how it handles this little incline. I'm just gonna use the throttle. Okay, looks like it handled that with no issues. That was just the throttle. And we'll just ride it here in the grass. Yeah, definitely bumpy. You know, you don't have that front suspension fork, but you know, I think it's handling it pretty well with the fatter tires. Now we're going to test out the acceleration. I'm at a complete stop here, and I'm just going to use the throttle and accelerate. Definitely picks up quick. Already at 18 miles per hour. There's a slight incline on the road here. So 19 miles per hour right now. Now I'm gonna try the brakes and go to complete stop. Not bad with the brakes. Now I'm gonna cycle through the pedal assist, starting off with level 1 here. You can definitely feel it. About 11 miles an hour with the pedal assist 1. And I'm going to move it to number 2 now. Again, the road has a little incline here, so. Now pedal assist 3. Okay, you can feel more power here. About 14 miles per hour right now. Moving to pedal assist 4. As I approach this street here, I know it has more of an incline, so let's see how it does. I'm at pedal assist 4, about 17 miles per hour right now. Here you can see it's starting to have that incline that I mentioned. And I'll put it to pedal assist 5. Not bad at all. We're at about 17 miles per hour here. It's handling it with no problems. Very smooth. And let's see how it does a turn here. Yeah, no problems at all with the turns. All right, now I'll make my way down the street. Let's do pedal assist 3. So we're gonna pick up some speed here because it is going down. About 20 miles per hour right now, picking up speed, and I'm just gliding. I'm not pedaling right now. 21. Yeah, very smooth. No rattles at all. Not hearing any noise. All right, this time I'll just do the throttle all the way up the street here. Let's see how it handles the incline. About 18 miles per hour, and we're making our way up the street here. Again, this is just all throttle right now. Yeah, it's handling it with no problems.
Now here's some footage at night with the headlight. Disregard the flashing, that's coming from the Bontrager flare light. So here are my thoughts on the bike. I'm definitely impressed with the overall build quality. The bike feels solid and there are no rattles or shakes. The handlebars don't feel loose and the frame is tight. Weight-wise, it is fairly light and easy to move around when it's in the folded position. The folding design is excellent as it adds the ability to transport easily in store. Assembly was quick and easy as the videos online are very informative. The seat is fairly comfortable and during my testing I had no issues with it. It does well on the streets and bike paths, but it would be a bit rough once you take it off-road. There's an ample amount of speed as the throttle will take you to 20 miles per hour in no time. Having the 5 levels of pedal assist is also a plus depending on how you want to ride. Overall, I would definitely recommend this bike as the design is very functional and I feel there's good value at this price point. I do want to mention that I had some initial issues in my assembly due to some shipping damage. I contacted the company and support was excellent in finding a solution to get me going. This is a US-based company with US support, and they pride themselves in great customer service. So if you're looking for a foldable e-bike, definitely check out the Glion B1 foldable bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.